right, this is just a short video to show you how you can start a second website. So let's say I started this website, My Business. It says, welcome back, my business, but I want to do a different website. Maybe I just use this one to practice, or maybe I'm actually starting a different business. I go over here to the right side where it will say either the name of my company or whatever I put as the name. And then there's the drop-down menu button. You go down to Add Site and click on Add Site. Okay, so what is the name of your new site? So choose a different name. I'm just going to put in a placeholder, Business 2. Okay, select the primary location. It might have, let's see, select the primary shipping location for the site. I'm going to connect it to my previous website because I had all of that information already in there. Delivery, and click continue. And then we wait for it to build. And basically we will end up back at the starting point for the web design. So here's my new one. It says, welcome back, but Business 2. Now, if I am going to play with each one or work on either one, if you go over here to the right side, again, the drop-down menu arrow, and it will show you the two different businesses, the different websites that I have started, Business 2 and My Business. And guess what? Now there's a way you can add another website by clicking the Add Site button. It is now located on this side. All right, so you can easily go between the two websites by selecting them from that menu.